There was one time that you wanted to do something with your PC and go to sleep, but you are not able to turn off your PC after. You don't want your PC to be awake for the full night, so you are thinking about being awake and turn off your PC after the work is done. I'm gonna help you with that. You can go to sleep and enjoy your day, and your PC will turn off after the couple of minutes you gave it. So for that, we're gonna go and open our command prompt and run it as administrator. Do that, you're gonna open it, and you gotta put this command line. It will be shutdown space slash s space slash t, and you will put the amount of seconds your PC is gonna turn off at. Like for example, if I want my PC to turn off at the next second, I will put down 1 and press on enter, which I'm not gonna do because I don't want my PC to turn off in 1 second because I'm recording. So the next thing we're gonna do is to calculate. So we're gonna open our calculator, and we know that a minute is equal to 60 seconds. So if we want an hour, we will multiply it by another 60 because it will be hour. Or if you just want to know the minutes after 35 minutes, 40 minutes, we'll put down the number like 40 or 50. And the number it gives you, you can put it in here. It will be as minute. And we're not going to do that. If you want to, like, for example, turn off your PC after 5 hours, you're going to multiply this by 60 again. So you will get the amount of seconds in an hour. So with that, if you want to multiply it more, it will become to an hour. Like for example, if I want to do this and multiply it by 5, it will give me 5 hours in just a sec, right? So the thing I'm going to do, never copy this into here because it does have a little comma in here, which you're not going to be able to run the command on. So I'm going to put the number, it's 18,000. And once you press on enter, your PC will give you a notification exactly right in here. It does not give me because I am recording right now. I don't know why, but you will see a notification in here which says that your PC is going to turn off after this amount of minutes. So let's say that you don't want it to turn off again. You want it to get canceled. You forgot about something, you didn't want to do it again, you just, you couldn't turn it off. So you're going to come here, and instead of S, you will type down A. And once you enter it, your schedule will be canceled and your PC won't turn off. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can make more content. Thank you.